This is a 1997 BMW Z3, okay? But if you have a car between 1996 and 1999, this video is for you, all right? How to do the rear brakes. You see it. Okay, so stay tuned. I don't know if all the Z3 has this spacer. This one is 20 uh, millimeter. Okay, I'm gonna remove it. So if you have between 96 and 99 BMW Z3, does your car has this spacer? Let me know. Put in the comment box. Hey, all the tools that I'm gonna be using in this video, you're gonna find it right below. It says view products. Click on that and you see up to 30 items to choose from. Okay, they come from Target, Lowe's, Home Depot, maybe Walmart. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting the tools that you need and some extra stuff. Okay, what's next? This thing right here, we're just gonna pop it. Just gonna pop it. Cover your face just like that. Okay. All right. It's a clip. All right. This covers. That's for the caliper. One there, one at the bottom. There. Just look like this. You know. Okay. Put it back when you're done. Now we're gonna push the piston. There's two ways to push the piston. Right here, between the brake pad and the rotor, with your pry bar. Watch how it moves. Careful. Okay. Should be good. 7mm Allen. There you go, 7. Okay. Move the caliper. Okay. We're probably gonna need to push more piston. We'll see. This is how the brakes look like, the brake pads. Yeah. Yeah. This is the other way you can push the piston. Okay. Make sure the piston is all the way. Push back. Alright, we're good right there, we're Gucci. This is a tool. You're gonna see it right below this video. It says view products. You're gonna see it right there. Now, put this over here. For this little guy right here, I'm gonna use 6mm Allen. Okay. There you go. Just a little bolt. Okay. And now I'm gonna have to remove this too. Those are 16. It is 16 millimeter. Okay. All these tools, I'm gonna put it right below where it says view products. I'm gonna break it loose and then just do it with an electric ratchet. Because these bolts are the same length. Here's the bracket. Okay. Doesn't need no hardware. Now we just hit the rotor right there in the back. Go whole hogging on it. That's how it looks like. Okay. Nothing new. Now here I'm just gonna spray with some brake cleaner. This the shoes, springs. At the end I'm gonna give the part number. Okay. For the parts, you see this hole right here. That's for this bolt. Okay. This one holds the rotor in position. He has to align with this one. Same way you remove it, the same way you put it back. Pretty much. Okay. Put it back. Just like that. Don't forget to put the spacer back. This is how it looks like. Okay. Look. It's gonna go like this, okay? No biggie. Push it all the way to the back. Some brake cleaner. This is what I do though. So I don't breathe the debris when I brush it. You know what I'm saying? The same on the other one. Should be good now. Grab some of this brake lubricant, silicone. This one is made by Ray Vestos. I'm just gonna put it here. I prefer to do it now when I haven't mounted yet, so I don't get the rotor with grease, brake silicone. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much. Now we'll put it back. See? Like that. Pop. Sorry for showing my face. I gotta see too wide. Stop playing with me. Go. There you go. Tied it. Okay. Yeah. We're almost there though. Should be Gucci. Now the brake pads. You see this? So you're gonna go in the piston. Or no. Like this. Okay. And the other one just mounted like this. That's it. Put it just like that. Pop. The other one. Should be Gucci. And from there, we'll put the bracket back. Okay, here. We'll put this thing back, right? Like that. Now, here. You want to put it like that. And then push it back. Just like that. Pop. I didn't forget about you. This is the part number for the brake pads. Brake pads, I mean, for the rotor, real rotor. Okay. All right. You see it. Made by Zimmerman. This is for the brake pads. Made by Death Star. This is part number, or this one. Okay. Brake pad set, rear brake pads. Rear brake pads. Okay. Death Star. Hey. Okay. Don't forget the little cups here for the back. Here. Oh yeah. That's a Gucci. Beautiful. Alright guys, show your appreciation, a return of kindness by hitting the super thanks button right here. Thank you for watching. Highlight your boy Axtuo Donald Trump with the pirates. Yeah.